Hello, my name is Alan, and in this tutorial we're gonna explore how we can create a side menu with the GoThru Overlay Editor. This is one tool that has an overlay or side menu. You see that we have a logo, there is an icon in here, we support submenu. So we're gonna go ahead and explore how we can build this. For that, we're gonna click on the plugin manager and we're gonna click on the side menu plugin. So that will add the side menu here, and in the active plugins will be here. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go from the top and explore all the settings that the menu supports. So the first one is the width. So we can change the width of the menu. We can access the asset manager and add an image that we previously uploaded. And this is our image. We can create a link. And so when someone clicks on that, it's gonna go to that particular link. We have the menu opacity. Is the area where we are displaying the menu, so it can be left or right. And then the alignment. Not to see the alignment working, we need to explore the menu list first. So let's go ahead and switch to the front. So it will be the front, and let's add. Now in the menu list we have a few buttons in here that it adds different type of menu items. The most important is the plus button, which adds the current panorama and angle to the menu. So you select first the panel, you select the angle, and then you click plus. And we're gonna name this front. And let's navigate. Exchange. So we're gonna go in the exchange and add exchange. So you're gonna notice that we have panel number 2 and panel number 28. And now we can go back to the line, and if we click on the center, that will be centered or right. Let's go back to the cashier area, and we support like common colors. Like if you go in the general setting area, you can have predefined some colors, and then you can use those throughout the project. But in our case, we're gonna use, we're gonna change the background color. I'm gonna make it like grayish. Like this. We can change the transparency, or if you want, we can go ahead with the gradient, and we can have a really nice transition. So we're gonna go back to our gray. let's change the color text to white, and the active color, so when we clicked on it, to black. Now what we can do here is we can click on edit button here for the text, and we can change the font. So if I don't like that particular, by default we are using Roboto font, or we can change it to something else. So let's change it to this one, and we can change the font size. And if you want, you can change the color too. And yeah, we can have it bold if you want, italic or underline. Yeah, so just leave it like that. Maybe increase it a bit more. And I would like the background color to be not that transparent. The menu opacity from here. Like that. Yeah. Something like this. Okay. So these are all the settings available for. Oh no, so we forgot about the different type of menus that we have. We have a text menu, so I'm gonna click on this one and we can type in beer, and this text menu doesn't do anything. So if I'm clicking on it, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't change like these ones. And why we would want a menu that doesn't change is because we're gonna go ahead and create submenus. So let's say we want to add chorus. So we're gonna click here, add chorus, and then we're gonna click the up button, and that will put us under the beer. And let's go and add Canadian. And again, we can drag this also if I want it on a different position, and just put it in. Another type of menu entry is a link menu. So you can add a link to one website. And once you create you have in here, you have the button for the website. What else we have? We have an hotspot link. So if we add, let's say, a Stallman hotspot. So yeah, this is our Stallman hotspot. We're not gonna explore the hotspot right now, but we're gonna just use it. And we're gonna click, and we can add the Stallman hotspot. So right now I'm going to front website. Oops, and that took me to the website, and we need to edit here. And when we click here, we're gonna go to the Stellman hotspot. So going back, we explored this. We can another feature that we have, you can add an icon, and we support about 3,000 icons, and we can type in here building, and that will add the icon there. And of course, if you don't want, let's say we don't want a menu, we can delete it, and anytime we can go ahead and edit it from here. Yeah. So we did actually a mistake in here, so we're gonna go and edit like this. Yeah, so this is how you can build a menu with GoThru Overlay Editor.